Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the MetaQueen channel, where we glow more every day. Today, we're talking about a natural beauty ingredient that has been used for generations in skincare and hair care: shea oil. Shea oil comes from the nut of the African shea tree, the same nut used to make shea butter. While shea butter is thick and creamy, shea oil is lighter in texture, making it easier to apply and quicker for the skin and hair to absorb. One of the biggest benefits of shea oil is how deeply moisturizing it is. It's packed with natural fatty acids that help the skin hold on to moisture. If you struggle with dry skin, rough patches, or dull-looking hair, shea oil can help restore softness and hydration. Shea oil also helps support the skin's natural barrier. That means it helps protect your skin from dryness and keeps it feeling smooth and healthy. Because it's gentle and nourishing, many people love using shea oil in facials, body care routines, and even hair treatments. Let's talk about how you can include shea oil in a simple skincare routine. For your nighttime facial routine, start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and makeup. Once your skin is clean, you can apply a light toner or rose water if you like. This step adds a little hydration and helps the oil absorb more easily. Next, place about 2 to 3 drops of shea oil into your palm. Warm the oil between your hands, then gently press it into your skin. Use upward motions to massage your face for about 1 to 2 minutes. This helps stimulate circulation while allowing the oil to sink into your skin. If you have particularly dry areas like your cheeks or around your smile lines, you can add 1 extra drop of shea oil to those areas. Leave it on overnight so your skin can absorb the nutrients while you sleep. By morning, your skin will usually feel softer, smoother, and more hydrated. Shea oil is also wonderful for your hair, especially if your hair tends to be dry, curly, or prone to breakage. A simple weekly shea oil hair mask can help bring moisture and shine back to your hair. Start by dividing your hair into sections so it's easier to apply the treatment evenly. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of shea oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Massage this mixture into your scalp, then work it through the mid-lengths of your hair all the way to the ends. Once your hair is coated, cover it with a shower cap or wrap. Let the mask sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. After that, wash your hair with shampoo and follow up with your regular conditioner. This treatment can leave your hair feeling softer, stronger, and more manageable. You can also use shea oil as a full-body moisturizer. The best time to apply it is right after a shower when your skin is still slightly damp. Put a small amount of shea oil in your hands, rub your palms together, and gently massage it into your arms, legs, stomach, and even your feet. This helps lock in moisture and leaves your skin with a healthy glow. So, a simple routine might look like this: using shea oil daily for your body and nighttime facial care, enjoying a facial massage with shea oil a few times a week, and treating your hair to a nourishing shea oil mask once a week. Natural ingredients like shea oil can be a simple but powerful way to support healthy skin and hair. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments. Have you ever used shea oil in your skincare or hair routine? Before we wrap up, if you enjoy learning about natural beauty routines like this one, I'd love to invite you to join the MetaQueen community. You can subscribe to the newsletter on the website at MetaQueen by visiting meta-queen.com. When you sign up, you'll receive updates, skincare tips, and natural beauty recipes designed to help you build a beauty routine that truly works for you. The newsletter also shares simple ingredient guides, DIY treatments, and personalized ideas you can try at home using nourishing ingredients like shea oil and other plant-based oils. So if you want more inspiration for glowing skin, healthy hair, and a natural beauty lifestyle, head over to meta-queen.com and subscribe to the MetaQueen email newsletter. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves natural skincare. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.